Hey guys, it's Hamza with another crypto video. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to convert USDT Tron network to Ethereum and Solana in less than 5 minutes. Now, you can use any wallet to send to and any wallet to receive. So it could be Phantom, it could be MetaMask, it could be Tron, Trust Wallet, it could be a wallet of your choice. This tutorial is on this file right here. If you want to download this file and it's easier for you to follow this way, I'll attach the link below. Okay? Now, make sure before you start that you have the following. Make sure you have Tron TRX in your wallet, which I'm using for this example to send out. I'm using the TRX, the Tron official wallet, okay? Which I have Tron right here. I have 193 Tron. Make sure you have minimum of 10 to 12 Trons for this transaction. Make sure you have USDT, which I do. I have $1,322 in USDT. Make sure you have a Phantom wallet address. Now, like I said, you can use any wallet. I'm using Phantom, but if you want to use MetaMask, that's fine. I'm using example, so I have it right here, ready, and it's set. And like I said before, this is a downloadable link for this whole file in the description. Okay, and the reason for that being because I have a couple of links. Well, one link to follow in order for you to do it. We're gonna do this exchange with Change Now. Okay, Change Now, that app. So go to this link right here. Do not Google. Sometimes it'll be a scam link. I just want you to use the official link. Okay, so we're gonna go right here to the link, and it's gonna transfer you to Change Now. This is where we're gonna do our exchange. Okay, change the first option from Bitcoin to USDT TRX. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna change the option right here from BTC to USDT. So you're gonna go right here and you're gonna type in USDT. All right, now there's a lot of USDTs because there's a lot of network. We're gonna choose the TRX network. Okay, do not choose Ethereum or Solana because we're doing it from Tron. So we're gonna choose USDT TRX. All right, and then we're gonna make sure that it's USDT TRX. We did change the second option to Ethereum. If it's not already there, you click Ethereum. And if you want Solana, then you change it from Ethereum to Solana. It's whatever you really want it to convert to, but for this example, we're using Ethereum, right? So we're gonna go here right here and type in Ethereum. It's already there. But if you want Solana, you will type in SOL, and Solana's right there. Not the USDT Solana, SOL. Okay, so for this example, like we said, we're gonna go to Ethereum and we're gonna exchange $300 of USDT to Ethereum. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do today, an example for this video. Now, after you choose this, choose the amount at the top, and it will automatically choose it for you at the bottom, like we did right here. We did 300, so 300 equates to 0.012 Ethereum. Now, how much do they charge? They charge 0.5%. Change Now charges 0.5% to do these exchanges, which is, we're gonna go right here and click exchange, and we'll go to the next page. Okay, number 6, another screen will confirm details on the previous page and will ask you for your payout wallet. Okay, so this is to confirm your transaction. 300 USDT, and you see that TRX right here, TRX, and you will get 0.0212 Ethereum. Okay, now we're gonna put in our payout wallet, and it says right here, provide the Ethereum payout wallet or the Solana wallet. Ethereum wallets usually starts with 0x and Solana wallets doesn't. Okay, so we're gonna go to Phantom wallet right here. Okay, and we're gonna go to the account, and we have Solana and Ethereum, Base, Sui, Polygon, Bitcoin in Phantom. We're gonna choose Ethereum, and make sure you click right here and it says copied. All right, once it says copied, you're gonna paste it right here. Okay, now like I said, Ethereum addresses usually start with 0x. Please make sure it starts with 0x, because I copied it once and it didn't start with 0x. Like if I copied Solana right here, put it right here, it's not gonna go through it. There's no check mark. Please enter a valid address, so they know that you messed up. So we're gonna go and copy the right address, which is Ethereum again. All right, and there's a check mark. Now we're gonna confirm it. Right here you see, please check MetaMask address. They work with MetaMask, so I'll confirm with MetaMask. I'm working with Phantom. Okay, so we're gonna confirm this transaction. Number 7, we're gonna click confirm. Now it will ask you to send USDT TRX to the payout address they provide. Make sure you copy and paste the address correctly from your Tron wallet or the wallet you have your USDT TRX in. What that means is you're gonna have to pay $300 to this address so they can convert it to Solana for you, to Ethereum for you, and send it to your Ethereum address. Okay, so we're gonna copy this address and we're gonna go to our Tron wallet, right? And we have the USDT. We're gonna send $300 USDT to this address. So we're gonna go right here, we're gonna send it, and we're gonna copy the transaction. Like I said, you can do this with Trust Wallet, MetaMask, it'll work. Okay, so we're gonna enter $300 right here, and we're gonna send it to this address. Make sure that it's the same address. If it's not the same address, your money's gone. So we're gonna make sure right here, TGUB, we're good to go. We're gonna sign the transaction right here. Now it's signed with this wallet. With Trust Wallet, you're just gonna confirm it. It might ask you for a password. It's confirmed. Okay, now if you go to the bottom, it's gonna say awaiting deposit and confirming. Okay, so do not panic if it doesn't say confirming right away. You see how it says confirming? Sometimes it takes time, so you need to be patient. Do not panic. If you've done every step right, then it should be good to go. All right, if you've done everything correctly, it will load and show the exchange on its way, like I just showed you. Once the exchange is done, you should see the Ethereum or the Solana in your wallet. Ethereum usually takes longer than Solana. Some transactions may take up to 30 minutes. I know Bitcoin, if you want to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum, sometimes it can take up to 3 hours. Sometimes it did take up to 3 hours. I was panicking, but Change Now has never done me wrong, and I've done over thousands of transactions with them. Now it is confirming right here. Okay, so once it's done, we will see it. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. As you can see right here, it was awaiting, confirming, exchanging, and it was sending it to me. Now, I checked literally 10 seconds ago, and Ethereum Change Now did send me the money. As you can see right here, it's finished. All right, so they did send me the $293. Now, I did the fee conversion, 300 to 293. They took $7 fee, which is 0.3%, 0.3 of 1%. I mean, it's really cheap. $7 just to convert from one network to the other. That's really cheap and really fast. All right, guys, tutorial of how to convert. If you want to convert to Solana, but instead of Ethereum, we're gonna go right here, and you're gonna go USDT TRX. We're gonna go right here, and we're gonna type in Solana, right? And let's just say we want to do $100 exchange. Okay, same thing. You're gonna go to Phantom Wallet, correct? And we're gonna go right here, and instead of copying the Ethereum wallet, we're gonna copy the Solana wallet. All right, and we're gonna paste it and then confirm it. And after we confirm it, it's gonna give you a Solana address, it's gonna give you USDT Tron address to send, and it'll send you your Solana. Same steps, it's just from Ethereum to Solana. All right, guys, that's it for my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe below. It's your boy Hamza, and